Good morning. Welcome to the first project for the 3D printed mystery box. So it's a quick build video. This is the clock file. Focus. That's available on Thingiverse. The link is in via my site or on the build page for the site. On Thingiverse, basically just download it, print it with your settings, however you want, and then that's what you end up with. In each of the 3D printed mystery box, you get a bag with all your clock mechanism in. You get the main clock mechanism itself. You get the second hand, the hour hand, minute hand, and then you get the rubber grommet for the back, and then the washer and nut for the attach it on the front. And you also get an AA battery. So basically all you need to do is take your clock, thread it through. This one's a little bit tight on mine. Your printers may have better tolerances. So mine just spins on. Line the hook up with the 12 so you get it straight. So just like 12, and then it's just straight up like that. Oh, hang on, I missed the rubber grommet. Let's take it back off. A little bit squeaky. Rubber grommet goes on like that, and then we'll put this back on. So it just has a nice firm fixture to the back. Reline 12 up with the back of it, and then take the washer, pop it on the front, like so. Take the nut, pop it on there, get it as tight as you can while keeping the hook aligned with 12. So it's nice and tight. And then you go, and then you pop on. A lot of these have the clear film on them when they were punched, so you can peel that off, like so. So hour hand first. Literally pop it on there and push it down quite a little bit of force. Make sure it's straight. And then you take the minute hand. That one on next, that one pops on. And then the second hand goes straight on top. A little bit of force there. And we're in. So just make sure these didn't bend out of shape too much, so they're not going to get caught one another. Just like so. And then basically pop the battery in. So positive in first, and then negative. And then we have it. Clock's now running. Basically just use the dial on the back to set it to the correct time. And away you go. So that's it. That's the clock for January 2019's 3D Mystery Box project. I hope you enjoy it. I hope to see plenty of pictures and makes from you all. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe, ring the little bell for notifications when I upload other videos. And that's it. Take care. Bye.